I knew I was going to have to use a bit of imagination, but why is there nothing there?
Well, we had a little bit of a run-in with the council, but I mean, it's easy to picture what it's going to be like, isn't it? It'll be amazing.
Where am I going to be here?
The building is the same as that.
Yeah,
Here,
yeah.
there's a massive roller shutter door
Big
here.
roller shutter
and
door.
then there'll be a personnel door window for, like, your reception, so you can be posh.
Doors here. This would be like reception.
Yeah,
So I'm going to have like a desk.
yeah.
And then we've got to get the ramps in. I'm going to have a lift.
And I think the spray booth is going right up there.
Yeah, come in. Your Lamborghini, sir. Is this going?
No, this all gets lifted, and your floor
Right,
is about there.
right.
That's your puddle.
Thank you. The financial side of this, running a business, well, that's new to me.
Don't spend what you haven't got, is the key motto, because otherwise it'll just go downhill so rapid. Your biggest problem over there is how many hours you're going to have to spend on a job to get it right. That's the financial clock, that is. Because it's not just the wages, it's the rent, rates, electric, heating, especially if someone doesn't pay you on time. You could end up in a big mess.
It's all very grown up, isn't it?
It is grown up, yeah. That's why so many people work for other people.
Which is what I've done all my life.
Hmm.